You need to see this. Today I'm gonna take a bunch of scrap metal that I saved from the dump and turn it into a rabbit or a bunny. This pile of scrap I have collected over, quite a few months, and I'm gonna turn it into a little garden sculpture. Make sure, follow along and see the process. Right now, I'm just gonna go through my scrap. I save a bunch of it in these tubs. I'm gonna see what I have, and I'm gonna pick out the best pieces I have, try and make a bunny. Follow along. All right, watch this. I am gonna take all the scrap that I just collected and turn that into a bunny rabbit. Be done. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it exactly, but I'm gonna gather some of the scrap, bring it in here, and I'll start laying it out on my workbench. The first thing we're gonna do is build the body. I think I got the start of the body. I'm gonna take this bent C-clamp I had and a couple of these other pieces and form the body of the rabbit. So we'll do the body, maybe move on to the legs. We'll do the head last because I think that's probably gonna be the hardest. I have some rabbit ears out of some old wrenches, but trying to figure out the legs of the rabbit, and I think I'm going to cut this side cutters or whatever they're called, wire cutters, try to make the top part of the leg, then try to figure out a foot. I got the beginning of the feet done, or the back feet I should say. This is the chest of the rabbit. I'm gonna build the front legs right here. I love it. What does it look like? Does this look like a rabbit? Love it. So I got most of the legs, back legs built. I'm working on the front ones now. I got a couple ideas, but I'm going to try to fill in this front piece for the chest area of the rabbit with some washers and an old wrench. Then I'll use this box wrench to kind of form the front legs. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do that, but I think it will be alright. I'm going to throw these washers here, cut this wrench up, make this look like the top of the front leg. I think we'll be good to go.
you ever started something, looked at it, and realized you have no clue what you're doing? Well, that's kind of where I'm at right now. I had never made a rabbit or a bunny before, and I was like, what the heck do I do next to make this thing look like it's alive? But I think I figured it out. Let me know what you think.
So, I think I've got most of the body done. Back legs made out of a couple of wrenches, some transmission gear, some tube I had rolled, front legs, more wrenches, piece of a railroad, an old clamp for the body. Now I gotta work on the head. And I am not sure what that's gonna look like, but I know what a rabbit head looks like, rabbit head, and I'm just gonna do that. The next step is to build the head. I've bent this old bolt into a head shape. I'm gonna slice it, weld it back together, and we'll get the rough shape of the head. And then I will mount it right here somehow. Comprende? So I'm getting ready to do the cheeks on the bunny. Use a couple washers to do that. I'll move from cheeks, fill in the face a little bit, and start doing the ears. Alright, what do you think? I like it. I'm going to add a little bit more to the chest, and then I got to figure out the tail, so I don't know what I'm going to do with the chest yet. And then I'll got to find a cool tail.
For the tail, I just ended up using an old box wrench that I found out in the garage over there. This ended up being the final touch of the bunny. Everything else was done. And I'm finishing up a little bit of welds. We'll do a little cleanup and you'll see the final product here in a second. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.